Welcome to Warrenton Crossing, a brand new community of single-family and ranch-style homes in the heart of Warrenton, Virginia. Imagine living just steps away from Old Town Warrenton, where your favorite shops, restaurants, breweries, and parks are all within walking distance. This is your chance to own a home that truly works for you and your family. Whether you're looking for a traditional two-story design or the convenience of a ranch-style home with the owner suite on the main level, Warrenton Crossing has it all. And here's the best part. Our homes come with industry-leading included features. Enjoy quartz countertops, hard surface flooring, stainless steel appliances, smart home technology, and so much more, all included in the base price. Warrenton Crossing really gives you the best of both worlds. Small town charm with all the modern conveniences you need. Picture this. You're just a short walk, half a mile from Old Town Warrenton. That means amazing spots like Claire's at the Depot, Red Truck Bakery, and Wild Hair Cider are practically in your backyard. Need groceries, coffee, or a quick workout? You're only a few minutes away from your everyday essentials. And if you commute, you'll love how easy it is to hop on Route 15 or I-66 for a smooth drive to Haymarket, Gainesville, and beyond. Plus, when it's time to relax or get active, you've got the Warrenton Aquatic and Recreation Facility, parks, and hiking trails right around the corner. Everything you want, right where you want it. Warrenton, Virginia is rich in history and an incredible place to call home. And now you can be part of it. Want to know how to take advantage of the best possible price and selection at Warrenton Crossing? Join the interest list. Our interest list members will receive invites and information on floor plans, pricing, and dates we do not share with the general public. More importantly, Warrenton Crossing will open exclusively to our interest list first, before anyone else. So join the list today. Your future self will thank you.